The year 2022 has started and some new gadgets have started in the gadget world. So in today's video we will tell about some of the newly launched gadgets which have been launched this year. These gadgets are making a lot of noise and are proving to be very popular with people around the world. So let's start with this video, but before that, request to subscribe the channel, and if you like the video then don't forget to like it.
Friends, everyone's house has a doorbell, which is a very necessary item in the house, but if you have a situation like this at home, you can utilize a touchless doorbell, which can be utilized without touching it. Friends, you will receive a mat with it, which you must place outside your home, and as soon as someone stands on it, this doorbell rings on its own. It is stated on this doormat that if you want to ring the doorbell, simply stand on it. However, it also has a safety camera with which you can view and interact with anyone standing outside. This doorbell also has a two-way communication system, so it's a great combination for such a beautiful doorbell.
Goal 0. YETI 6000X. Friends, it is very important to have power backup at home, for which we use generators and inverters. However, if you're traveling on a vacation, this means these gadgets aren't always available. If you bring a portable power station with you, you'll be okay. So, if you want to have a portable power station with you that you may use in an emergency, this device will be extremely useful to you. Sony Airpeak drone. Friends, drones are being used for photography on a very large scale these days. But every drone has an inbuilt camera, whose picture quality is sometimes good, and if you do not take a good drone, then the picture quality is not good. Sony is fully aware of this, which is why they have created such a customized drone for you, where the drone will be Sony and you may use the camera of your choice. By default, you can see Sony's camera here, and if you like, you can also install another camera here since you will have a 3-axis gimbal stabilization system. This drone is incredibly configurable, which makes photography very easy. If you want a drone that is also very customizable, you will enjoy this drone a lot.
Amazfit GTS 2. Friends, if you enjoy Amazfit Smartwatches, then this watch is going to be very interesting for you. Friends, its unique feature is that its display screen is large, allowing for a wide viewing angle and a pleasant look. You can view this in platinum, gold, and black color finishes, as well as buddies. This is a totally waterproof watch that you may wear while swimming. Although several sports modes will be available for you to operate, there will also be a sleep monitoring system available to make it easier. It has a 7-day battery life, and if you like this watch, you should like it. Samsung JetBot 90. Friends, if you want an autonomous clean robot that will perform a better job while also providing you with some advanced features, you will find the Samsung JetBot 90 Advanced Vacuum Cleaner quite appealing. This is a one-of-a-kind advanced vacuum cleaner with a powerful algorithm for systematically cleaning of your home. This also has a tiny HD camera that you can utilize for security purposes, and you can monitor what's going on in your house using your smartphone. And as soon as the battery runs out or the container is full, it return to the charging station and charge it while emptying the container. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos in the future.